Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is your friendly Filipino Carpentera here in America. Today guys, I just want to make a video because the past few days has been really tough on us, and I just want to share with you, one of my I just want to share with you one of the features of my life being a married woman and living here in America. Ang mga challenges, happiness, ups and downs bilang isang may asawa at saka bilang isang expat na malayo sa pamilya. But so makita niyo, as you could probably have seen my video the past few days where we lost one of our beloved cats na parang tinuturing naming anak. By the way guys, please forgive us for the mess in our back kasi namumulot kami ng basura. No, not really. Bumili ako ng flower pot para sa some decorations, but anyway, my brain is not working right now. So yun, medyo magulo siya sa likod. Some of you know na wala kaming anak ng asawa ko, and we treat our cats as our kids. And the past few days has been like parang very challenging for Corey and I. Because nung Sunday, napansin ng asawa ko around 3 o'clock a.m. na hindi na umiimik yung isang pusa na palangga talaga namin. Are you okay, Midi? I'm recording her. My cats, our cats, they sleep with us in the bed. Isang gabi minsan 8 pusa yung nandoon sa bed namin, and so na-notice ni Corey na hindi umiimik yung isa. So that was 3 o'clock, and we brought her, dinala namin siya. What time did we bring her to the emergency? Pino-hospital namin guys. The next yeah,
like 7.
Alas 7 ng umaga punta kami.
7 in the morning.
Sa ICU, na hospital siya. But then, after that, nagka-cardiac arrest siya. So, it was, kasi si Midi is very strong and medyo may katabaan siya, but she was very healthy. So, it was a shock for us na nawala siya. Ba't naman gano'n na, she did not have any bad symptoms. Parang pakalit lang, bigla lang talaga yung pagpanaw niya. So we were devastated. Para kaming she was only 10 years old. And then, so anyway,
we think 10. We don't know exactly how old she was, but 10 to 11 or more.
Yeah, something like that. Kasi pinulot namin siya. She was a rescue. So anyway, nag-grieve kami, we're still crying. Tapos 2 days after, ito na namang isang kind of really knew that we were about to lose her too, because na siya 15 years old na siya. So anyway, yun, dinala din namin agad sa ICU at hindi makuna nung mga doctors for blood test. Kawawa itong asawa ko. Ang ganda ng hospital nila dito, parang totoong human hospital talaga. I like their facility here. You okay? You're tired? Yeah, me too. That will be fine. Kaya devastated talaga kami. 2 pusa namin ang namatay within 3 to 4 days. Tapos ginawa naming lahat, dinala namin sa hospital, pina-ICU namin, pakita pa sana namin ng internist na veterinarian. Tapos ang laki-laki ng gastos namin, guys. Mga ₱250,000 siguro, pero di bali na, gagawin namin lahat, mabuhay lang sila. Kasi hindi lang pusa yung yung treatment namin sa kanila. Sila ay talagang parang mga anak namin. Kaya lang wala pa rin kaming nagawa. So pinakremate namin silang 2 para makasama namin. At itong asawa ko sad talaga siya. So nakapag-decide kami na entertain yung sarili namin. Kaya lumabas na naman kami, kumain kami sa labas para lang ma-entertain yung thoughts namin. Kaya ito, pumupunta kami sa restaurant this time. It's called Golden Corral.
Into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rope. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, but now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rope. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, yeah.
Dito kami sa Dillard's, guys. This is one of the big shopping malls here in America. One of my stress reliever. But lately, I did not, hindi na ako nagsa-shopping. I don't go shopping anymore. I became a little bit conscious of money. But today is an exemption because kailangan ko ng coat. And tingnan natin kung meron sila. Nice purses here. Pero hindi ko kailangan yan. Kasi yung tingnan yung sweater ko, guys. Yan. I have to have a new sweater. Dahil lahat ng mga sweaters ko ay puno na ng pintal.
I have no battery left.
Let's look for clearances. Oh. Sleepwear. Hindi pala coat ang kailangan ko, guys, kasi ang dami ko ng coat. Kailangan ko ng what do you call this one, sweater. Those are gowns and formal dresses. Just $7.99. So after here po, after kong bumili ng clearance ng mga sweaters, ay bibisita na naman kami sa kaibigan namin, si Pader, tawag ko sa kanya. Kasi na siya, towards the end of his life na siya. Sabi nung hospice nurse na hindi na siya pwedeng pakainin ng ng kanin, dapat na lang, liquids na lang, kasi yung cancer niya ay nag-spread na sa kanyang stomach. So mahihirapan na siyang i-digest. So ito na kami sa bahay ni Pader. Bibisitahin namin siya. Guys, please watch my next video, okay? Please. Sa previous videos ko, sinabi ko doon na ninakawan kami sa aming renovation. At kung makita mo yung tao na nag-mow ng lawn, may kaba ako na siya yung nagnakaw. Kaya pinuntahan ko siya at kinausap ko siya. I will tell you the story next video po.